for today's video guys, pupunta po kami dito sa Emirates Palace. Si Bibi, this is also nice hotel Bibi, the Babal. How much this one, no? Oh my god, look at the design. It's so nice. The design of the hotel is so nice. So like this is the tourist spots guys here in the top. Check your... Ay, we will not check na the check. We will not ask you na your booking. Grand Hyatt also, do you remember that we're in Dubai? The Grand Hyatt? Actually, they upgraded for us, right? So this is nice. Emirates Palace. Huh? Yeah, the upstairs. Oh, so they are different na. So in the night, this one you find out too much people. It's already paid. Waiting for the check-in. Shout out sa Rolex Mari. Di ba nagpa-announce kita? Really nice. For the check-in, welcome Emirates Palace. Sila the center eh. Grabe ang ganda. So pupunta pa kami sa Inay. Anong nangyari? Bakit nagiging immigration ng information? Yun ang meaning na hindi naka-travel. Ang information nagiging immigration na. Sorry? 7 minutes to reach in our room? Nobody? Oh my god. We will walk for 7 minutes for our room. How far it is. That's good exercise anyway. Much better I will not do exercise from home. Sorry?
Yeah, now if we're not staying here, we can come this side.
Oh, yeah.
To get to that part, you have to be in-house and you have to have the key.
Oh, okay. So that's it. Yeah, because 2 times we coming here only for coffee. Yeah.
I think very old.
It's security guard. Oh. Oh. Okay. So we need to go down? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, they don't have the information. Just, talaki ba? Mawala na aning kitipay kami ron duha. Ginawa ko. Yeah. So this is our room? Grabe guys, ang ganda. Welcome to our room. So guys, this is the bathroom.
Thank you.
With another, with this, bush al-Arab naman lang yan. So this is the lotion. Botanic body lotion. And this is the someone is knocking, Kitty Pie. Thank you. This is our bed. Ang ganda ng bed. Where our terrace. This is the TV. This is the refrigerator. This is for the ice cubes. Tida down, baby. Tida. This is all the cooking and this is. And the down is the refrigerator, I think. Yeah. And this one. Yeah, this is the cup. The one. I like the down, baby. Look at this. See our bed. Same the what's this? It's cute. This baby. There, your favorite. And this is the thank you for supporting our Emirates Palace. And this is the pin telephone. Now the one don't know na how to open. See, this is it, our small terrace for it's big though. Kitty Pie told it's big. It's nice here for the night, the sunset, the scene. Huh? What? Oh my god. Shout out na lang to sa Rexos Hotel. This is the design of the hotel. Nandito na kami sa aming room. And then change outfit for today. And then pupunta kami sa beach at saka sa swimming pool. Let's check kung gaano kaganda yung ano nila, guys. See you there. Kitty Pie, can you open the curtain, please? Guys. There. Ayaw matita ay gubagsik. Si Kitty Pie is not ready to go in the beach. Sinap na oh, for the guys. This is the swimming pool. So this is the pool area, guys. The changing rooms for the boys and girls. Hi. They're fine. See, they have this sliding video. We go there in the up. We go there in the up. See, guys. Ice cream. It's a whole time. Ganda. I want to slide. Knock, knock. You don't want to slide here. Coming here directly. Oh my God. So, yung isa, hindi siya. He don't want to swim. So he will never change. See? Knock, knock, the beach is there. Huh? Yo! Hala, hala! Oh my God! It's a big book! Hi! Hi! Hi, hi, hi! Baby, that's nice in the shoot. Wow! Oh, what huge Kitty Pie, right? So baby, we need to change the beach. You are not hungry? We eat only pizza, so not night only we go in the... Huh? See guys? Oh, grabe. Come here, look up. Deep. Oh, I think it's a deep. Oh my God, ang ganda. Grabe. Punta din kami doon sa beach. Ang ganda ng ano nila, kids pool. Grabe ang taas. Ang ganda na ng weather. Kitty Pie, the weather is so nice na. Nah, she's searching the one. That's nice. That is the good thing also here, right? Is what's this? So this is the gym area, guys. Here. Where? I put in the water and like, huh? How can I put the water? It will flow. Guys, it's apple time. Why? You're following me? You're too much. Sunset na is coming. You take me out, huh? You go with me. Come here. If I don't like to swim, then wow! Ang ganda na ng sunset. Yung ano ko, masisira yung eyelashes ko doon. So this is their beach, guys. So look at. Mayroon din silang kayaking, mayroon silang playground area. Pero ang ilang beach, guys, close na. Look at the sun. Grabe. See? Grabe ang ganda. Right, sun. Look at our surroundings. Yeah! O, diba? Rexus Hotel. Ang ganda. So, this is their Emirates Mandarin Oriental Abu Dhabi Sport. Ang dami nilang mga activities na kagawa dito, guys. Yes. Ganda. Ang ganda ng sunset. Yeah. I know. Oh, the Emirates Palace? Oh my God. Kaya pala. The Rixos Hotel. We've been there also last year. Ang ganda din dyan. The weather is perfect, right? Yeah, 6:30 is all closed, guys, here. So tomorrow is our breakfast, the whole time. I don't know if I come back pa tomorrow morning here because Kitty Pie only sleeping. So I'm 100% sure I'm also sleeping. I don't want to come back here tomorrow morning. Yeah, then we're gonna end the breakfast. So see you in our breakfast time, guys. Thank you for watching. My Kitty Pie, oh, he's so busy.